Hey there, all you keeping it reelers in Thailand. Hey, thanks once again for dropping in. Joe Blair here. I'm keeping it real in Thailand. Here in Thong, Krut, about to embark on a wonderful trip in one of these long-tail boats here. Here's our captain for the day. Fadikap. Si Chong Bong. Shelly, Darren, and their little prodigy Hudson, who makes pretty good YouTube videos of his own. You got to check it out. I'll leave a link below for his YouTube channel. I'm a little blown away by it. They're pretty good. They're very good. So yeah, so we're gonna go to Koh Tean over here, and then we'll go to Mudsum over there, which is otherwise known as Pig Island. And it's a pretty nice day today. The sun is really shining bright, and it's not too hot enough. A nice cool breeze, and we might even get a little bit of rain later this afternoon, which is never bothers me. It's always cool things off a little bit. Okay, so just gotta wait for the clan to show up here. Even the boys in brown like to come out and have some fun. Oh, this here's the main office here in the Koh Tean to take all the boats to Koh Tean and Mudsum. The main office, the main area, just off the ring road here, the 4170. And just in time for our intrepid travelers here, carrying the customary, hey, Tangmo, some papaya, I guess, or
we got a mango, we got a lemon, we got a watermelon, and a mix.
Look at all the wonderful colors here. Let's check
cheers.
them all out.
She didn't have to-go cups, so she just
cheers.
Oh yeah, normally they do. Well, sometimes they do these anyway.
Great.
Yeah, they put soups in them and everything.
Does coconut oil act as sunscreen, or no?
Yeah, a bit of a sunscreen. It makes you good. Like tastes really good when the cannibals come after you. Coconut oil. So our captain's waiting for us.
All right.
Yeah. Wake up. Just missed the police. The boys in brown even showed up today.
All right.
Okay, we put our name down and then we pay first. So.
For trip, you want to go to Pier Island first or snorkeling first?
Snorkeling.
Okay.
Koh Tean. Then Mudsum.
Not go inside, na? Only area snorkeling. There.
Don't, huh?
Here.
Oh yeah, okay.
Area snorkeling, only one place.
Why not no go
Oh,
there?
cannot be here.
You don't go there anymore?
Huh?
Before you used to go?
No, never go.
Yeah, I used to go before over there. But now go inside, okay. Yeah. I got the bananas.
And you go to Pier Island, you pay for entrance 50 baht,นะคะ. One person eat on island. You can pay.
Asset, huh? For what?
For entrance.
Why you start do that now? Oi.
I don't know why. You can order all day, huh? For pig, huh? For beef, for toilet, nah.
That's okay.
Yeah, for everything on
That's what the pigs are for.
Not for being a food, huh? ขอบคุณค่ะ
ขอโทษครับ50 baht. I want some big bowl of moo.
ฮะ
Moo กินแก้ว
หมูกินข้าว
ใช่
100 ตัว กินเยอะมาก
ใหญ่มาก
Good bacon.
So on these boats, they're all powered by truck motors.
Okay, ready?
Talking Toyota,
No, Isuzu.
Isuzu, Song Ha.
3,000.
And it takes the water from the ocean to cool it. Well, it's amazing, these aluminum blocks take all that water and they last as long as they do. All the rust on it. Oil pressure?
No,
Volt, huh? Song? Sip song? Sip song volt? Look at this, another YouTuber. What's this? Oh yeah. That's the intake and outtake for the keep the motor cool. It's amazing, you know, it's salt water. Yeah, it's a truck motor. And from an Isuzu, you see the oil filter and everything there, and the generator, the alternator, man. to Koh Tean here first, over here. Oh look, Bing, there you go. Okay, so here, snorkeling. I didn't bring my here for my GoPro, so I'm taking a little risk doing this. Why drop it? It'll be hard to find. So I'm gonna show you guys why I brought the bananas with me. We're just off the reef over here, eating all the fish bananas. Yes, bananas. They go bananas for bananas. So go below the water line here. That firsthand. Eating the Well, we were swimming there, had a great time on Koh Tean. Now we're off to what?
Pig Island!
Hey, out of Pig Island. Off to Pig Island, or as I call it, Mud Sump. Feel like a pirate. So here we are, the famous Pig Island, finally. There it is.
Pull up the
You
boat.
have a snack and you gonna swim
There we
first?
are.
Go find a pig. Go find a pig. Yeah, you might be hungry.
Oink, oink, oink. There's some, look, you can see the pigs just over there.
Oh yeah.
Okay,
Look at
right?
them move.
There's a whole bunch.
Yeah. Try, yeah? Try.
What did you say? It's the pig.
Yeah.
Oh, that's
That's it, huh? Head in the trap.
One little pig is like flying.
I heard of a sow's ear. There it is. Here's inside. Look at how bossy he is, huh? So you can eat while you're here.
Kind of difficult with all the dogs.
Cow pat. And he's having the French fries and some of these spring rolls are pretty delicious. And she's having noodles,
Yeah.
big wide noodles.
You got a dog on the table.
Pork.
This
Maybe.
Hey!
Ironic.
we're one.
Yeah, right.
We're one pig short suddenly.
Yep.
Looking at all the pigs here, so I got a hankering for some pork. Yeah, and you can get beer here and all that too. They have stalls right here where you can get all that. Yeah, so they have stalls here where you can get all the Fragrance shakes and all that stuff. Yeah. Pig food, 55. Yeah. Prices are reasonable. They're pretty good too. With some tang mo and some mango tang mo. Go for a snooze. Chillaxial. Well, once again, all you YouTubers out there, Joe Blair here on the Joe Blair and Friends here on the famous Pig Island. Back on the boat. Yeah. It's a typical Canadian family right there.
Let's take off, eh?
Alright, so all you keeping the reelers out there, hey, Joe Blair, back in Thong, Krut. Once again, we're at the pier. Looks like we're in a moor right up in there. And I want to say, hey, thanks for popping in, and well, I guess we'll catch you in the next one. I want to thank all my subscribers out there and all you people, hey, if you want to help support the channel, buy me a coffee. Love it. And there's a list of my patrons that have done so already right here. Here we go. Scroll down. Okay, we're going in, we're mooring. Look at these big truck engines. Look at that, look at that. Cool, huh? All right, well, we'll see ya in the next one.
Pull up the
You
boat.
got a snack?